Hi, so today we'll be learning how to make a single crochet, how to make the single crochet stitch, and I'll be using the 4.0mm hook and a chunky yarn. So first you'll need to chain, and to chain you're supposed to start with a slip knot and then chain any number of stitches or the number of stitches that are your desired length. So for this tutorial I'll be using 20 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is the foundation chain for my single crochet. I've chained 20, and in order to obtain 20 single crochet, I'm gonna add another chain, and I'll not be putting my single crochet on this chain next to the hook. So I'll be putting my single crochet on the second chain from the hook. So to make a single crochet, you insert your hook here, you yarn over, pull up a loop through that space, and then you'll be having two loops on your hook, yarn over again, and then pull through all the 2 loops. So once again you insert your hook into the next stitch, you yarn over, pull up a loop, there's 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So that's basically it. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then pull through the 2 loops. So that's single crochet. So you'll make your single crochet until you get to the end of the chain. This is how your yarn should be looking. So this is our last chain, our last stitch. You insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then pull through 2. So that's our first row of single crochet. And then for our second row, you will chain 1 and then turn your work like that, and then now you will insert your single crochet into this first chain next to your hook, first stitch. So there are 2 loops, there is a V-like stitch there, so you will start inside that V stitch like that. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is the second row of single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then pull through 2. Once again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your second row of single crochet. So we are almost at the last stitch. This is the second last. You make your single crochet, and in the last stitch you insert your hook into these both loops. So just like that, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how your second row should be looking like. Now chain 1. For row 3 you chain 1, turn your work once again, and put a single crochet on this first stitch like that. So we are on the last chain stitch. Insert a hook, pull up a loop, and pull through 2. So this is how 3 rows of a single crochet would look like. For row number 4, you chain 1, turn your work, and then continue like this is a repeat row of row 2. So I'll be making 5 rows. I'll be making 10 rows of single crochet, and then I'll be back to show you how my work will look like. So I'm on my last row. So once you get to the end, you make your last single crochet, chain one, and then you cut off your yarn. So these are 8 rows of single crochet, and to count them, you're gonna count these loops like 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, which adds up to 8 rows. And yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and stay tuned for more content.